Hello, and today we're back playing rancher2. I had to test my controller, so that's why I'm already in. Besides that, oh yeah, we left off here in the lab. Sorry about that last video. It was too long. I'm sorry. So let's move on. I went through the wall. Let's check that Yogi slime. It's been a while since I've checked on him. Like, ever since I left the game. So I wonder if he made some plorts. Right. Time stays the same. Buddy, what do you eat? Don't just stare at me, little guy. Okay. Now to see hens. Sweet, roosteroo, which means the hen hens can reproduce now. That was cool. And plus the last video where like I just skipped all of them because like they're just saying stuff and nobody needs to see it. Except Bob's, because yeah, he's crazy. Bubble double? Okay, nope. Ooh, shrubs, I can now make those. I never served palm tree. Now I have 3 of them. Squeak! Because this is one. Gadget mode. See? Oh, I have 2 of this. See? 1 palm tree, 2 palm trees. Sweet. Right, they want to see some grass, I'm guessing. Well, they're facing grass. In my thing, they're facing grass, bro. Yep. Maybe they can't see the grass from up there. Bop. Shrub. Me later when I'm going to feed my slimes. Bops. Bop. Okay, listen to that one. So let's maybe go out here. But Amber, it's like I died and then I just. And this one's gonna be a short video, like they shall. That's where I'm going, the big volcano thingy. The big volcano thingy. He might be like, what's the big volcano thingy? That thing right in front of your face. Yeah. I see it's glow. This one glow. I call this cotton fields because, well, there's tons of cotton here. I thought their favorite food would be carrots, so it'll make the most sense, right? I'm gonna go towards the volcano. Excuse me. I had some gummy bears before I started recording, and I still have them. Wait, now. River Valley, right? Big slime, run faster! See, the big volcano thingy. We're closer now. Hey, I need to get out of the gummy bears. Yep, it's River Valley. Yep! Alright, the anglers live here. Where's the goodies? Where are they? There's one. Don't need you. Yeet! How dare you eat? You ate his parents. go towards the Addy door. Those squirrels. No. Happy bears. I'm just happy that I have gummy bears. Yum, yum, yum. I'm going to find the crystals because there's a crystal. Whoa! I haven't been here before. I was supposed to chill out here. Oh, you guys went out. Or ran away. Under the weird. Yes. There's out here. Wait, there's many horse. Here's me. Sorry, guys. I just keep on liking. I like gummy bears because they're delicious. Hey, ooh, now. Chickadoos are just so cute. Just so cute. Like I said in the last video, but still. Who cares if this is Daddy won't say it again. Lanyo. But you don't go down there, little guy. Where are these crystal guys coming from? Where are these crystal guys coming from? I don't think I've been here yet in this little space. So, I was afraid of them in there. No more to get here. Ha! Not my mind. Found it. Buddy? Eat. Buddy. Chick must save. Buddy, I'm trying to save you here, okay? Just go in Skyzer. It's okay. Woo! Ta-da! We're flying! There you go. Wait. They can already fly. Where the heck do I go? Why don't I just come back the way I came? Right, I didn't go from here. Because I went the wrong this the reality almost goes gravity. To see where I'm going. Right, I need to go this way. Which road is this random hole? Remember last video where I went for that random hole? I think that's where I'm trying to go. Yeah. sleeping. I'm done. The sweets are trolls. I mean, I'm almost there. Oh, this geyser valley. You can tell why. And, like, there's like a million geysers. Which means a million half the fun. Try to leave here in my mouth. Okay. I'm just trying to grab gummy bears for no reason. Why am I talking about gummy bears instead of slime right here? Gummy bear, I might. Go the right way. I need to get up there. Onward. That's what I should say. I should have said upward and onward. There we go. I can step on this, don't worry. I hate these guys. Oh, do not step in there. I died because I tried to skip. If you didn't see the last video, I was trying to. I died in the at the end because no. Starting. Step out. I die. I'm gonna die. Spike. Ooh. I'm gonna stand here for a while. Cause your health goes up. See, it went up. It went up. Money? Come on, bro. Ooh. 10. My point it fell off. In a safe spot. If you're watching this video, hello. My friends are watching this. Yeah. Up. There's for someone. I'm not going to have a big boy. The game. I'm trying to get those. Fatty bloom crystal. Wait, those are. You just know that those are all different things. Boomy, come here. Wait, why don't you go into the lava? Oh no, boom goes. That's to be it explodes. The boom slides. Did somebody say boom? Explodes. Oh, okay. I forgot about this guy. Oh, not safe up here. Squeak! I think that's lava dust. Oh, primary oil. Okay. Why did I go step? What is this? Onions. They grow carrots. Be that. Don't need the onion. Okay. I just don't want the crystal. Crystal, come here. Oh, buddy, come here. No. What him? You're safe. You are safe now. Come on. Just go somewhere and explode. Not like the boob slide. I feel bad for the Gordos. He's like, one, how did I get there? Two, why did I have to stay in one spot? It's so sad. I just have to stay in one little spot. Why can't they move anywhere else? There's actually probably a spot. That's lava just over there. That fountain. The crystal! That's where the crystals come from. Not you. Yeet! Sorry, little guy. Get you out of your habitat. Well, so what's up here? Oh, cucumbers grow up here. Nice. What? The map thingy. The map thingy. I need that. Yay! Up here, you. No. Good. It's safe. How do I get up there? Yeah, that's up with us. We need to go on to the geyser, ouch! And to the geyser, ouch! And then landed in lava. Back to the geyser. We need help. If someone watching this has finished the game, congratulations. And should we go through this area? Yeah, it wasn't yet. Wait, why do I feel like, why does it look like I'm going down? Batty Gordo. Oh, it's the other side of the Batty Gordo. Okay. No wonder I felt like I was going down. I have gummy bears on my desk. Because I'm playing this on a computer, because that's what the options want to play. I'm really sorry. I just like eating those gummy bears. They're delicious. Nom nom nom. Yes! Boom! Whoa, this area is bigger than I expected. Look how big that area is. Now, right, I need to go to the boom Gordo. But he is over there. Ouch. I don't want it described in this. Ready? Let me see what's inside. So we really have to feed him chickens. To home I go! So I was just looking at my recording app. To be like, why do you have a recording app? I don't know. Oh, the heavy slimes. I feel like there shouldn't even be here. So my one question is, why are they here? Wait! Who's saying that? Who's going out? You! Here, I'll help you get to somewhere safe. Yes, you can fly, but still, this is not safe for you. Little guy, I'm going to move you somewhere where you can be free and safe. If you want to be a YouTuber, sure. Yikes, almost died. to die. Don't even think about it. Yeah, that might be good sometimes. Like, I'm gonna make another video, but it's a little longer than this one. Now it looks like I'm going up. Got rid of the cover there. Yeah. Okay, no. This looks safe. Here. Guys are from her. Okay. We need to go back. This way. Ooh. You look cute. That was a rock, Tabby. You look cute. You were thinking. What have you done today? Boom. People here talking to a boom. Boom slime for no reason. You. Hey, what you doing? Does it the boom slime exploding? Boom slime is explode, so it makes more sense. Here I'm guessing. Crystal anglers come from? A little bit in a tornado. If there was a tornado in this game, the chickadees would like fly away. Like, you know what? You shall believe. Beginning. Oh, those little meows. They're so cute. There you go, there's the teleporter home. I'm leaving Amber Valley. I actually like going to Amber Valley. Even though I died most of the time, but still. Gummy bears in the bag. I haven't been going for that long. I had fun. Now it's time for me to go. Oh, it's so cute. Come here, come here. Cub. Cub. You look so cute. Look at his little ears and his cute little tail. Sorry, I just love cute things. And he disappeared. Wow. Well, I can always make a breed. I can always just start breeding. I'm talking about breeding, but it's slimes. That way. That little dome you see over there, that's where you live. Where you live. Oh no. Hope no one eats that. Or that. Are chameleons in cotton fields too? Those guys are so cute. I don't know. I don't know even what I'm singing. I just make up random songs for no reason. Plus, after I made that first video, when I made the first video, I started out pretty scared. But now, after I remember, I can now like do stuff on my own, like make videos for you guys. You guys are my specialty. Me thinks of some of a random meme that could be true. Let's see. Have you poo-pooed yet? My mind has poo today. Buddy, you eat nothing. Are you sure you're okay? It looks like you're staring at those poker fruit. Let me unload these seats. 11 chickadoo. Jeez. How much do I love these guys? In my mind. Too much. Me. No. Oh, I was like, just maybe delete this and then reset it because I have the money for it. There goes. This is how it shall be for the Yoki slime. See? They don't jump or anything. They just slide around. Derp. You don't give them food just to help feed. Eat this. Why don't you eat anything? So Yoki slime, but Yoki plus chicken equals chicken. Equals chicken. Why am I still thinking of that? I don't know. I'm just random. That was crazy. But in a good way. I did a thumbs up. Well, you guys can't see that because all you can see is my screen. But look, I told you, the dome is where you live. Plus, my mind's like, how does that tree fit? And how did they just make it to be like that? I have no clue. Hit them. Because I can. Because I'm not with me. Ooh, I hope Bob's available. Because he just like, I declare Bob the hilarious one. Squeak! Bob's last, because save the best for last. A violet teleporter. Wait, if you look closely, there's rocks. There's rock slimes and his coat. Special delivery. I have a great chicken. Thank you, Bob. Give me rocks. That's my life. That's a Bob thing to do. But still, it's true. That is a Bob thing to do. Just rocked. And what did you get for Christmas? Just like the, like, kind of like round thing. Where it's like, I got a rock. My big ringtail. How are you doing, little guy? And okay. My crystal slime's still going here. This is a spare cage. Sorry, I don't get that as much, but. Oh, great. I should have got more of them. Burn slimes. So fast. Guys, make sure you get off of the cover. Daddy just waddle around like do the very next thing. I don't know why I'm just doing random stuff. I'm just bored. I mean, I just like making videos when I'm bored. But I always make sure I don't make too much videos. And plus, it took 2 hours just to post the first video. And it had troubles at nighttime, which is when it was made, which was yesterday. It was made yesterday, but it came out today because, like, my mind, technical difficulties. And I don't listen to people that I know. So be slime. I just need to see her poo poo. What should I do? Ooh, slime feeding time. 21:46 at night. This is slime feeding. This is like military time. It goes on second by minute. But 22:10, I start feeding them. Let's do this for feeding you guys. Share. Guys, I command you to share. It's the power of sharing. Guys, there's some Angies, okay? Make sure I'm not messing up. Yeah, all the food's here. Meat. Meat and veggie. How can I mean I don't eat fruits? Come on. Fruit! Here, one's extra. So guys, I think I'm gonna wrap up in a couple of minutes, maybe. But first I need 100 quartz. I need to get a full load of those. I may be gonna build my protector that saves stuff. 50%, like 50% of my stuff. So I work with, in the comment section, let me know. Should I work with it? Or make it off camera? Or I should maybe know that I have it first. Trust me, I'm redoing. Like, somebody that I know plays this game. They always do this with playing Slime Rancher. Like, there's extras that should, like, for example, I had 2 extras. So I had 2 in there. And then now I have 2 more. And I grabbed the extra 2. So the ground's not messy. Normally in Slime Rancher 1, I just yeeted them all out and just left them there until I got enough loads. Yes, I could hold like 50. It's pretty cool. I should have got that lava dust. Dang it! Well, yeah, I can't do that yet. Oh, sweet. I don't want to. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make this off camera. So, and I think I'm gonna end it here. So, bye.